Hello, hello. Let's see here. I need to get my charger.
Hello.
Hello, hello,
I like to say g'day, g'day.
hello. Hey, mate.
Good day, mate.
Uh, let's see. Oh, it wasn't? I got on at 110. Lies, lies, lies. All right, let's see.
No, you were late. You started the meeting at 1:11.
It was 110 on my clock.
It was 1:11. Your clock is probably late.
Let's see here. Where's my Skyward? I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Actually, I probably needed that. Oh well, I'll be okay. Wait a minute. Let's see here. Where's my Hey ladies, by the way, the assignment, the MUT stuff, I still am missing a lot of people's, and that's like killing people's grades.
What MUT are you talking about?
It's the article, remember, about the iceberg, and
I sent mine to you and I still got a bad grade.
but did you redo it after we went over it last class?
Yeah, I even changed my synthesis.
Let's see here. Who was that, you, Trinity, or Samar, who was asking about it?
Me.
Trinity, okay. I'll pull up your, once I do attendance, I will pull up your rubric and I'll tell you what you were missing. Let's see here. No, Michael. Iman, is Iman here? Sonia's here. Aaliyah's here. Samar's here. Samaya's here. Jessica's here. Taryn is here. No, Cedric. Jonathan's not here. Armire. Armire, you here? Yep. Trinity, yes. Symphony, yes. Ellie, is Ellie here? No, Ellie. Kyla, are you here? Yes, Kyla's here. Kupa, yes. Pilar, yes. Catherine, yes. Peyton, yes. Brianna, oh, Amon is here. Yep. Brianna's here. Hey, Amon. Where's Amon? I thought I saw that she was in here. Hey, Amon, did you see, I added that score, so you're good. See here.
Did you get my mudding?
Who was that?
That was Kyla.
Kyla. Let me check when I'm gonna check Trinity's and I'll check yours too. Kamari. Is Kamari here? Oh my God, I can't scroll. No Kamari. Desi's here. Alicia is here. Daniela is here. So weird, Daniela, you always pop up twice on my attendance for some reason. It's like, but then when I go back, you're only on there once, but it's like, initially I have to say yes twice. All right, so you guys, real quick, I'm gonna get you guys rolling with the daily news. I'll share my screen real quick. Boom, boom. Daily news. The one for today though. So here we go. It says, low dose kiddos today we're gonna take off to take the role. Oh yeah, because we're doing kind of what we would have done last class if the redoing stuff hadn't taken as long as it did. So then we'll read an article on mathematicians in the NFL. Lastly, we will compute predictions of how much weight other note cards could hold. Oh, and actually I need to upload your DET because it would not publish earlier. So let's see here. Stop share. Let's go back to our there. I need to go to courses. Online. Because today is day 3. Let's see here. All right, let's see here. Why is the screen not showing me here? There we go. Yeah. Wait, why is this being weird? There we go. Ugh, why does it do this? Here we go. Okay. There we go. All right, now you guys should be good to go to day 3. And you guys see it should be up now. So if you go click on day 3 DETs, and then 821, 824 should show up there. If not, just refresh the page. And I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes. And in those 5 minutes, I'm going to look up for Trinity and Kyla to make sure I got the resubmissions and to give you feedback on it if I did. So, choose virtual background, 5 minutes. You guys are golden.
You said it was mathematicians?
We're going to be mathematicians today. Yep. Day 3. Yep. Okay, so I'm not sharing my screen right now, am I? No? Okay, good.
I
You
cannot
have
find
the
it.
timer, though.
I wanna pull up their grades. I don't wanna
I didn't find
tell
it.
You
everyone.
have the timer up.
Yeah, the timer's supposed to be going, that's fine. But you don't, you only do the second link, the one that says 8/21, because that's the date for today.
What day is it?
It is day 3.
Okay.
So let's go to here, grades.
Taking a test. Mr. Doss,
What was that?
what are we doing right now?
You're doing your day 3 DET.
Okay.
Kyla, you are good, my friend. And then Trinity, I didn't get it from you. Your submission.
Mr.
You
Doss.
submit it or did you share it?
What?
Your MUT.
I think I shared it with you.
Oh, wait. Let's see.
I think I shared it with you on Google Docs because I don't know how to submit it.
That's there. When you're done with your quiz, I'll show you real quick how to submit it, okay? Because I see you shared your
Because I was just
reflection with me, but not the MUT.
oh, so that's not my actual grade or not?
Does it? Your grade probably says it's missing because I don't have it. So your grade will go up once I get it.
My
Can I
grade
look
is
at
F.
it like on another device?
It says my grade is at an F.
Yeah, it's because a 0 out of 26, that's 26 points you're not getting. So that's a lot of points to not have this early on in the year. So you'll, once you get it to me though, I can get you a grade and you can see how your grade goes up.
Remember
Because I'll tell you guys who, well, you guys work, just listen for your name. If I say your name, it means I am missing the mudded article. So Michael's not really, Warren's not really. So Sonia, I'm missing it from. Aaliyah, Samar, Jessica, Taryn, Armire, Trinity, Symphony, but Symphony has time to get it to me.
What do you mean by this answer?
Like, just tell me the steps. Like, there are 6 things that you have to do for MUT. What are those 6 things?
Okay.
there's actually 7 things.
And then there. Oh.
Excuse me?
Symphony. And then Sydney's not part. Kupal, you sent me a blank paper, so you might just need to try to resubmit your actual thing. And then Pilar, I'm missing from. Christ Hall, I'm missing from. Kamari. And Jalicia, I think you sent the wrong thing as well. If you send the right thing, I can grade it. Oh, you need me to give you another retry, Desi? All right. Where's the
Can I get some more time?
Yep. Let's see here. Moderate. So,
Mr. Doss.
yep.
So I have a question about like the office hours.
Mhm.
Can you join like any class that you have during office hours?
I don't see why not. If you reach out to your teachers ahead of time to give them a heads up. But some teachers might say you need to do your office hours for the one that's right after your class. But I don't know. I think there's not a lot of clarification.
Mr. Doss just submitted mine and I wasn't there.
Here, I'll give you another attempt, kiddo. So Taryn, what you can do then is copy and paste what you submitted, or copy it and then paste it into your next one. Because I'm giving you an extra.
Mr. Doss.
Leah as well. Another attempt. Oh no. What's
I
up,
already
kiddo?
sent it in.
Huh?
I already sent it in. And there was actually 7, not 6. Yeah.
Can I get some more time?
Send it to me. Send it to me in a private message. What you think all 7 are? Okay, so that no one else can see it, and then I'll let you know if you're right or not.
Did you do it yet?
Can you give me some more time?
Who's Trinity needs more time?
Yeah. Sorry, I was still
And
writing.
Amon, you got a question, kiddo?
Go off the camera. Go off that and do that. Okay.
Mr. Doss.
Amon, what's your question, kiddo?
That was more time.
More time? Yep.
Yeah.
Same, I need some
You
more
can have
time.
more time on mine.
Jalecia, you need more time too? There you go. You should be good. Ellie, did you get my message in response to what you asked me?
I have not checked. No.
All you did, you just accidentally sent the reflection instead of the mutt, like the mudded part. You sent the reflection that where you like put the quote and everything, and you said what your skills and character were.
Yeah.
So you just sent the wrong. You just submitted the wrong thing.
Okay. Did I submit it correctly this time?
Are you doing? Did you just now do it?
No. What you wrote the comment on.
Oh, was that? Here, let me see then.
Because it said I checked this morning and it says that something was like it was missing, and so I submitted it, and I submitted the one that was most recent.
The only submission I have on that is the one that's wrong.
Okay.
So if you look up when you try and submit it, if you look up copy of chapter 1, you should, unless you renamed it, but it'll say like chapter 1 iceberg, because you submitted the reflection, which was the thing we did after. But
okay.
And that was worth like 10 points, and you get all 10 points for that. But the mudding was 26, which is the big thing, and so that's why, like, if you didn't have it and you're missing 26 points, people's grades are like. But if you get it in, you'll get all the points. So.
Okay, I'm gonna try to find it.
All right. Yep, Aaliyah, what's up, kiddo?
When I went on there, because I already did all
August
that
3rd,
stuff, and I sent
7th.
it, and I did everything in the videos.
Mm-hmm.
But then
It
when
says it's missing.
When she told
No,
me
I go to
this, when
share.
she told a lie, the lost.
and then I go to your name, Matthew Doss.
Oh, don't share it, because then it gets lost in my email. So like, because sometimes that stuff, it'll get sent to like my spam and stuff. So if you submit it on Canvas, it puts it all right there all together.
Wait. Hold on.
Mr. Doss,
Uh-huh.
I need more time.
That was Pilar. Okay, I'll give you more time on this. Do. So there you go. It should give you another attempt, and you can just copy and paste what you had already.
Mr. Doss?
Yep.
I need more time.
And that is speaking right now. I can't see everybody. Let's see. That's Taryn. That was you. Or who asked for more time?
Me?
Who's? Oh, Jessica. Sorry, kiddo. Yes, here. I'll give you more time. And Sonia, I'll do that too. Here we go. Sonia, you should be good now.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, kiddo.
I submitted it, so
Um,
hopefully.
I submitted the next one,
All right,
or I think it's the correct one. I'm not
I'll
sure.
let you know real quick here. So it's here. Refresh page. Let's see here. Oh. No, that's, let's see here.
I'm done.
That's still the reflection.
Oh, you fixed her headband. I just noticed that.
Ellie, that's still another reflection. That one's a blank reflection, but if you go look on your Google Drive for just like search chapter on your Google Drive and see if you can see that document on there. Because if you search chapter,
I need a little more time.
that Peyton.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so
I sent one that looked more promising. I put my last name at the end, but it doesn't look like it's from the correct date, but I'm not sure.
okay, let's see here.
How do you submit it for the thing?
Wait, what just happened here?
How do you submit the?
On Canvas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you real quick. Let me pull up Ellie's. Let's see here. There you go, Ellie. That was the right one. I'll be able to grade this now and update your grade.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. All right. So so Trinity. Here we go. I'm gonna.
Did I submit mine in the right place or something?
Karen, I do not have it.
Okay, what do I
I'll
got
show
to
you
do now?
guys real quick. I'll do another little run through for those confused on where to share it. So I'm first gonna need to go to our homepage.
Wait, which one am I sharing though?
mudding thing again?
The mudding, yeah, the mudding one. Not the reflection. Let's see here. So here in this. So way this works, I need to change it to student view here. Okay, so to submit the mudded article, if you go click on modules, and then where it says Habitudes Chapter 1, the iceberg mudding, click that. This will pop up. Click on Submit Assignment. And then it will say, oh, do you want to upload a file? No, you want to go to Google Drive on the tab for Google Drive, and then it should not say this. This only says it because I'm like on a fake student account. But if you're on yours, it should have a whole list of all of your documents on Google Drive, and just find the name that you have it as. If you didn't rename it, it's going to be like copy of Chapter 1 iceberg or whatever. But and click on it and then submit it.
It doesn't say that for
Okay.
me.
But I'm not on my computer though.
It might say like you need to like what's the notice? It says you might need to authorize, and click authorize, because that just means you're letting them access your Google Drive.
It won't let me choose a file.
Mr. Doss.
Who's not being able to choose a file?
Me,
Who's me?
Samhar.
Oh, Samar.
Is it copy?
Like, can you see the file?
Yeah.
But it won't let you select it.
Yeah, it just won't let me click on it.
Then I will give you permission for this one to share it with me, and I just need to make note to look for it. Here's my, and then so
do I do the iceberg Chapter 1 of iceberg, or
yes, Chapter 1 iceberg is going to be the one that you mudded.
So we don't turn in the reflection. My number will be 86.
Well, you turn the reflection in, but on a different assignment page. So I'll show you if you didn't turn in your reflection. I'll show you in just a second how to go to that page. So grade Samar. But
I did that. What do I do now? Just wait.
You clicked on it, and then click submit,
Uh-huh.
and then you should be good.
Okay, can I just wait until everybody's done?
And then yeah, and then I'm going to
Mr. Doss.
go back to modules. Yeah, Taryn?
I'm not on my computer, so it's not going.
Okay. Well, just when you get to your computer, just do it then. Okay.
Okay.
For those who, what is this? Oh, for those who are trying to submit the iceberg reflection activity, like, because you might have submitted it in the wrong place, or like this is not the one that you marked up. This is the one that you just like found a quote for, and then you like said what your skills were and what your character was. Then you need to click on iceberg reflection activity and click submit assignment. The iceberg reflection activity is this thing, just so you know. It's this document. This is the document for the iceberg reflection activity, where you had to do that. Okay, that's what you submit here, and then you just do the same thing and look up where it says iceberg reflection activity, click on that, copy of iceberg reflection activity, and submit that. Okay, because there are some people who are missing that, but Are we all good now with those two things?
I need more time still.
Symphony, you got a question, kiddo? And so Peyton, you need more time again on the, okay, let me
Can
go.
I go to the restroom?
Yes, you may. Or you should, it says you've still got an attempt left.
Where is my speaker?
You click on, so I would copy what you already put in and then click take quiz again and then paste it what you have so that you don't have to start over.
What is this?
Did that work for you, Peyton?
Okay. This is my microphone. This is my haircut. So what is this?
Is it day 3, 8/21
My
to
microphone?
Yeah.
Oh, where's my microphone?
Aaliyah, question?
I'm kind of confused on the reflection activity.
The reflection activity? Like what part were you confused on?
Like, I don't know what it means when it says inside this box, write down a quote from the article that resonated with you.
That you found meaningful, and then just explain why it was meaningful. So just explain like, oh, I thought this was maybe it was interesting, maybe it was powerful, maybe it was, I don't know, it reminded you of something.
From the actual thing.
Yeah, from the actual article. Yep.
Okay. Oh, can you see if I submitted it? Submitted mine.
Let's see. Need to go. Oops. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen though, so people don't have to see it.
What do I need to do right now?
Well, once everyone gets less confused about the what to submit and all that stuff.
My timeline.
Daniela, you should be good. But let's see here. Boo, boo, boo. Aaliyah, it does not say you've submitted it yet. Or wait, or what are you talking about the reflection activity or the mud?
I was born and named Karen Olivia. I went to preschool and was named.
You submitted the mud now. Yeah.
I went to kindergarten and made some best friends. I went to first grade and was good at cursive and multiplication. I forgot the I and I went to. What is wrong with me? I went to second grade, had to schools, and leave all my friends behind. I went to.
All right. So, I am going to let's go over the day 3. DET, blah, blah, blah. Let's see here, close that. So it asks you guys to give the 6 things, the 6 sort of steps or things that you do for mudding. Okay, so anyone just shout out. What's the first part of mudding that you're supposed to do? Anyone, as fast as they can. Just shout it.
Number the paragraphs.
Very good. Number the paragraphs. Okay, you just do that on Google Docs by, how can you number the paragraphs using Google Docs?
Commenting.
Commenting, very good. You add a comment and just put the numbers next to each paragraph. Then how about step 2?
key
Circle
terms.
bold key terms.
Okay. Bold key terms. Okay, it's normally circle key terms, but if it's but since we're using Google Docs, it would be bold. Okay, and so how do you bold something on Google Docs?
You do the blue highlight and then you tap bold, the B. at the top.
Yep, highlight it and then tap
Left.
the key, and that'll bold it. Okay. In addition to bolding key terms, to get full credit, what do we have to do to the side?
The what?
In addition to bolding the key term, to get full credit.
Why you bolded it?
Very good. You got to put why you bolded it. Why is it a key term? Good, good, good. And then after that, we've got step 3. So what's step 3?
Highlight unknown words.
Highlight unknown
red-
words. Very
in
good,
red.
Sonia. Okay, so highlight those unknown words. What color do we highlight it?
Red.
Red. Very good. Okay, and if you know all the words, you're supposed to highlight what? Anyone know?
Highlight high level words.
High level words. Very good. So if you know all the words that you read, okay, still at least just highlight one high level word so I can give you the credit. And if not, I don't think that you just forgot. So then the step 4.
Underline
Where-
important ideas.
Underline important ideas. How many times are you supposed to do that to get full credit? And Desi is yelling my name in all bold letters. Not really yelling, more so typing, but all cap letters. So Desi, do you need something, kiddo? What's up? Oh, you said it? What'd you say? Oh, it's so hard to look at the text and look at the people. Okay, well, yes, you did. You did get it. I will give a shout out to Miss Desi. All right. Good, good. So then, but how many times? I think I saw some fingers. How many times do you underline things in order to get full credit?
I don't remember it.
2 times. 2 times minimum. You can do more, but 2 times minimum. And then in addition to underlining, how many, or what else do you have to do? You underline it and then what?
After underline is highlight in purple the questions and confusion.
Not yet, but still for like after you underline, you're supposed to comment why you underline it, why it's important. Okay. And then step 5, 5 is the what, Catherine? Because you said it.
Highlight in purple the questions and confusions.
Very good. So highlight anything that sparked a question or confused you, highlight it in purple, and then write your questions to the side. How many times are you supposed to do that to get full credit? 2. Okay. And then lastly, the very last step, step 6.
Highlight in blue an entrance or connection.
Very good. Thank you, Sonia. Highlight in blue any sort of thing that you found interesting or that you connected with, and then you comment on the side as to why it was interesting, okay, or you connected with it. And how many times are you supposed to do that one? 2.
2.
Okay, so those last 3 steps, okay, you need to do twice to get full credit for each of them, okay? And shout out to Desi. I do see that she also chatted that the answers as well. So she is on top of it too. It would just be so nice if I could see Desi on camera and she's not this, a keyboard. Because who knows? Maybe she's a robot just typing answers. I don't know. Is she a person? Is she human? Or is she a robot? And that really goes for half of the room.
I think they are robots.
I can't see half of the people in this room. You could be your older siblings cheating and getting all the answers right because they're your bunch of older siblings. Who knows? All right, Sonia exists. Trinity exists. Okay, they are human. Okay.
I was
Still,
eating my Nutella.
there are still 9 robots in this room. Pilar is claiming to be the oldest person in the room. I disagree. I believe I am the oldest person in the room.
Yeah, he's way older than everybody.
Okay, you don't
He's
have to say way older. You could just
But
say
you-
he's older. In fact, everyone right now, we're going to pause where we're at. I want everybody to put in a guess as to how old I am. Peyton, you are not allowed to say anything. I'm not going to
You're
react.
42.
One person has said in the 30s. Everyone else thinks I'm in my 40s. Oh, okay. I got 2 people, at least 3 people. Okay, now you're just trying to be nice. You guys ready to have your minds blown? I think Aman cheated. Aman used her sister. Aman used her sister as a resource. Aman never would have guessed that.
You're 31?
I am 30 years old. I'm not even 31 yet. I don't turn 31 until September 1st. Yeah.
My
So
God. I
all of
would've
you who think I'm
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm
older
sorry.
than dirt, jeez Louise. Okay, Desi, now you're just rubbing it in, saying I'm 48. Oh my gosh. Because Symphony, to answer your question, is because students stress me out. And so what causes gray hairs? Stress. And so students stress me out. Whew, man. Yeah, it's
You
wisdom
always
hair.
tell
Thank
us
you,
to know
Karen. That is wisdom hair. Wisdom hair, for sure. I am.
Did you try to blame that on us? We stress you out. But you tell us to no stress.
No, it's just poor genetics. I'm gonna keep my hair. I'm not losing hair, but it is gonna be all gray very soon. All right, let's actually get to learning though. Mr. Doss is getting sidetracked here. So, I can't dye my hair. Everyone already knows it's gray. It'd be obvious. I am, but let's go here. So we are moving along in the agenda. So I'm gonna pull up. I'd recommend you guys do this as well. But if you go to modules, oops, what am I doing? What is Steam slide presentation? Or if you just want to jump and click where it says math, you can do that too. Okay. Just so, and you notice if it's in blue, what do you do? Oh, goodness gracious. If it's blue text, what are you supposed to do with that?
Write a sentence.
Oops, I didn't share my screen. That's why. Sorry. When you're on Canvas, if I've written something in blue, what does that tell you to do?
Is it invest or something?
You copy that down word for word in the engineering notebook. And then red is do what the red says. And if it's in black, you just need to read it. Okay. But don't skip it just because it's in black lettering.
I don't
Okay?
have an engineering.
So
notebook.
so pull up to that page. This lines up with the presentation I'm going to go through too. So I'm going to go, if you want to pull this up, and then I'm going to go to my presentation, and I'm going to go back. That was for scientists. Back.
Is this on modules?
Yes, modules.
Okay.
Then, yep, the what is STEAM module. So, okay. So I'm going to pull this one up. And let's see here. Oh, I'm going way too far. So yeah, math. There we go. Okay, so as mathematicians, okay, we are going to calculate how much weight the shapes can bear. Basically, this is how an engineer could use math to help solve an engineering problem. So I'm gonna full screen this here. Okay, so, oops, there we go, okay. So I want you guys to copy this down. Do you remember that chart that you started to fill in, the STEAM chart? You filled in the problem, you filled in scientist. Now you're gonna fill in,
Slide presentation.
you said, where is it? If you go to modules and then click on the page that says, what is STEAM slide presentation? Then that'll be it. Okay, but you guys are going to copy this down into that chart in the mathematician section. Okay, so what do mathematicians do? They use numbers and equations to solve problems.
Mr. Doss,
Yes.
do we write that in our notebook or in the slide?
You write, do you remember that chart you made
Yeah.
that said like problem, scientist, technologist, engineer, artist, and mathematician? Write this in the mathematician section.
Okay.
Mr. Doc,
Yes.
do you remember Whitney? Whitney Williams?
Yes.
She has something to say to you.
Oh my gosh, is she at your house? What is she doing at your house?
No, she's on the phone with Allie.
Oh, well, yeah, I was gonna say, is she also in?
I love you, Mr. Doss!
Oh my goodness. Hello, Whitney. How's high school life treating you?
Not good, but it's still okay.
What? It better be good. So is Whitney a sophomore now?
Sophomores.
Oh my God, you guys are so old. That makes me old. Oh goodness.
Hi, Mr. Doss!
That'll be like you kids one day.
Oh,
You guys will
God.
be like a foot taller and like
I'm probably gonna be like 2 inches taller.
just but so and then also copy that question down. Oh, Symphony, do you need to copy down that chart? Symphony, do you need to copy down that chart because do you want to see what chart I mean to copy down? All right, so it's, oops, let's see. Let's see. There you go, back a little bit. It's this thing. So you can pull this chart, this presentation up on, if you go to modules and go to a page that says, what is STEAM slide presentation, you can pull up this exact Google Slides presentation so that you can copy this while I go through the other stuff, okay? Does that work for you? So you can kind of go at your speed? All right, so, but anyways, moving forward here. So with the mathematician stuff, so basically as mathematicians, what we are gonna do is we are going to calculate how much weight 4 small columns could hold, as well as how many 6 could hold, and how many 9 could hold. And so the, Desi, this is the chart that you made like a week ago. It's just in the math section. Oh goodness gracious, child. the, you don't have that paper? You keep your papers in it? Oh, goodness. All right, so Desi, go ahead and pull up this slide presentation so that you can copy down the chart and know how to copy it down. So just pull up this slide presentation because I got to move these other ladies along. So so basically the way we can get these
Mr. Dodge.
calculations, okay, and by small columns, and basically what that is that's the flat roll circle method that made columns, okay? And so, oops. Oh, the way you calculate it here, okay, is we take whatever the max weight or load was for 3 of those flat roll circles, and we divide that by 3. So can someone tell me what was the maximum weight that the flat roll circles could hold? How many pounds? Catherine?
93.
Or Peyton, what was it?
93.
93, very good, okay? And so we have to figure out how much one of those circles could hold first. So we take that 93 and we divide it by how many circles there were, which was 3. So 93 divided by 3 equals what? First person to get it gets a high five virtually from me. So who got it? Anybody? 93 divided by 3.
Wait, what was the question? Sorry.
Is it
93
279?
divided by 3.
23.
279.
31.
Oh, Desi. That was
Is it-
our
oh, did
virtual
you
high five
divide
there.
it? I thought you said time. Sorry.
Virtual high five there. So 31, okay? So if 1 can hold 31, what do we do to find out how many 4 can hold? Who thinks they know? Let's get those mathematician brains on.
What was the question?
The how many can 4 circles hold? We don't know. It's not 93 divided by 4. We found out how much 1 can hold. We said 1 can hold 31. So what do you think we can do with that information to calculate how many 4 can hold? Well, 31 3 times would be how much 3 can hold. Ellie, what do you think?
5.
124.
124 is the correct answer. So you take that 31 and you multiply it by 4, and that's going to tell you how much weight 4 circle columns can hold. So 31 times 4 is 124. Okay? So what do you think you do to calculate how much 6 can hold? Ellie? 30.
Multiply 31 times 6.
Yep.
Yeah, you
And
do
good
that. And
job,
that's
Desi, as well. Okay, so 31 times 6 is
186.
186.
100.
Right, very good. There we go. So put that down as much as to how much 6 columns can hold, and then how much could 9 hold?
1,060. 1,674.
No, not quite. I think you multiplied one of those answers by 9, which you 279. Very good. So you take 31 times 9 and you get 279. Very good. So did you guys put those answers then down in that chart underneath the question?
Yeah.
Because the question says, in theory, how much weight can 4 columns hold? 6, 9. So if say 4 can hold 124, 6 can hold, what did we say, 186? And then 9 can hold 279. Okay? So this is kind of like what some mathematicians do. Okay, this is a load-bearing chart. Okay, it shows kind of how much weight particular structures can hold. And then if you notice, there is though a max weight. It maxes out at 16,000 pounds, no matter then how much bigger those columns get. Okay.
Good question, Mr. Doss.
What was it?
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, you're fine.
So I know that, but are we supposed to be writing this down? Because I think you said that, but I can't find where I'm supposed to write it down.
You don't have to write this down, but did you write down like the this right here?
Yes. Yeah,
that's
I
all you
wrote
have to
that.
write down. I'm just,
Okay.
this is more, that's okay. You're fine, kiddo.
I've been writing down like all the answers. I'm like,
oh
shoot,
my
where
gosh,
am I
oh
supposed
gosh,
to write
that is-
it?
don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
This is just an example of like an actual, like, somebody who's calculating for like a construction site, like how many, like if the different sizes of columns, how much weight they could hold. And then it shows there is like a limited, or like once it gets to 20 inches, no matter how bigger the column is, it still can only hold 16,000 pounds. This is just a real life example.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. So it says though, if math says 124 pounds is the maximum, okay, how have some students in the past gotten theirs to hold 280? What do you think, Ellie?
Well, they could have used a thicker type of card in the first place.
Okay,
Or
but let's
like
say,
a different type of
because like
material.
really, if we did this in class, everyone is required to use the same exact type of note card. Like everything's the same. So how do you think they could have, if they're using the same as another group that only gets 124? What do you think? Anybody?
Well, also, maybe if they have the same like shapes or whatever, and the books were like longer or something, and the weight was more evenly distributed between the three, then they could have gotten it to be more balanced.
Very good. They engineered it. Okay, because that's what engineers are going to do. The mathematicians can give you all these numbers, but engineers are then going to take that and figure out, okay, how can we make it better? How can we make it hold more? Okay, and so that's how different groups, because maybe some groups had it all kind of stacked in the middle, right there, that like those, they were all right next to each other, the columns, but then some groups spread them out so that, and it might have worked better. So what we'll do here is I'm going to show you these little videos, and then we'll just kind of call it a day. How about that? This is going to show you, just get you excited about the engineering stuff that we're going to do. And so this is my favorite stuff. This is where I'm like, I geek out. So I'm going to show you these two videos. I need to make sure my sound thing is on for you. Cool things to find what it is. What is it? Oh. Let's see here. Here. I'm going to send it to you, Samar, and then you can send it to Aaron.
Okay.
Wait. There we go. There you go. All right. So, you can choose if you want to stay and watch the second video. But you don't have to. I don't want to force anybody to stay longer than they want to, because class is taking over. Was there anything that people thought was really, really cool in that first one? Who's willing to share what they thought was cool? One of my favorite things was, do you see that girl? They were holding something up to her ear and then she cried. That was, I believe it was, she was deaf, and the engineers built a, whatchamacallit, like an ear implant that they were gonna put into her ear later, but she could actually hear after that, so that was pretty cool. Anything else people thought were cool? All right, see you, kiddos. For those who are leaving, I'll play this video for those who want to watch this one. Oh yeah. That water.
Mr. Doss.
Yeah.
What time is our next class?
Your next class is
Huh?
Bye.
Hey, Sonia.
Have a good weekend.
You too, kiddo.
I can't hear you. The video.
No homework. All right, kiddos, that's where we'll end, so that you can have some time between now and your next class. So let's see, how do I get on full screen? There we go. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys
When does the
on
next class start?
Tuesday. Next class is 2:40.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, it's
There you
time
go.
to go?
It is time to go. Yeah. You want? I mean, you don't. Do you want me to play the videos for you?
Yes.
Because I can play the videos for you. So your next class is until 2:40. So I'll play it. All right. Do you want me to show you this one too?
Yes.
All right. All right, kiddo.
That was cool.
Pretty cool stuff. See, this is the whole point of the class. I wanted to get you guys interested in engineering and see what you can do if you want to like get a job in it. It's pretty cool stuff.
Mhm.
It's like you get to basically get paid to like play with really large, expensive toys.
Yeah.
But all righty. Well, I'm gonna let you get going, kiddo, so you can get to your next class here in 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay,
But I'm so
bye.
happy you were so interested in watching those videos. See ya.